everybody, it's somewhat girly here to show you my Ipsy for this month. Just a reminder that if you haven't seen any of my videos before or know nothing about me, I am visually impaired and I have issues seeing things up close, so there might be some zooming. I might still get whatever I'm looking at wrong, so we're in for a wild treat. I did already look at a lot of the things that are in the bag here, so I had a little bit of help beforehand to discover what was in this month's bag. So here we go for our adventure. This month, the theme was called Pretty Wicked. Not exactly sure why, but they have a QR code to scan. This is their typical card that comes in the bag. And if you don't know, Ipsy is $13 now. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have links down below and information. Not really sure. So in the card, you either get the items that were in the bag and the descriptions of it, which this one did not. This comes with late minute Halloween plans and like what you should do to like make your eye look more, I guess, Halloween-y. Sometimes they have stuff on the back. I'm not 100% sure what it is. But yeah, Pretty Wicked, which I love this bag. Oh my goodness. Whoops. I dropped the card. Look at this. This is gorgeous. The lips are a little raised on it. And they got the vampire teeth with like the black lip. Which, let me tell you what, I was hoping for Halloween stuff in the bag, but you know, it's Ipsy. The back is just a plain, it's like a kind of a pleathery, yeah, PVC. For you older, like Gen Xers and millennials, if you remember the way that some of the McDonald's toys smelled back in the day, that's what these smell like. Bright green zipper pull. I mean, zipper itself. The zipper pull is a flat piece of metal that looks like lipstick. When I first opened it up, I saw the back of this, and then my mom was like, hey, turn it over. That is gorgeous. I love that. I love this. It does say Ipsy on it, right? Yeah. Okay, so the first thing that came in the bag was actually out of the bag, was in the packaging. Is some sort of skincare item. I don't like skincare items because I can't use them. My skin is so delicate. So very delicate. The pH is thrown off by everything. But, I mean, someone I know could use this. Apparently, it's got pistachio oil in it, my mom said. She was helping me out when she was looking at it. But look how big this tube is. I mean, I love to eat pistachios. There's the sizing there, if you want to see it. It's got the directions on the back. Is it a face oil or is it just skincare? It is a hand cream. Oh, okay. Okay, it's not a face cream, it's a hand cream. I could use this. Ooh, is it green? Do we think it's green? It's got a seal. Yes? No? Are you green? I don't know what that accent was, so. Get it to smooch up. Come on. Are you coming up? I'm coming out. Yesterday was National Coming Out Day. If this comes like straight out the tube and freaks me out, we're all gonna know. Why is it not coming out of the tube? Is there... Oh, there's a little bit of plastic there from the thing. That's why. Duh. What can I use to open this? Be right back. Okay, it's open. It smells great. I only poked like a small hole in the plastic. Are you coming out? Are you? Is it green? Is it green? Tell me, is it green? That looks green. Are you a nice hand cream? Are you? I think the plastic came off of my my hand. Oh, this is starting out real great. For those of you who haven't been here before, I am a wonderful disaster. Not a beautiful one. Wonderful disaster. Oh. I like hand creams that dry pretty quickly. They're not greasy or oily. Oh, that smells so good. I love pistachios. Well, As far as I know, I'm not allergic to them because I eat them a lot. So we'll see what that does on my hand. But that is lovely. I love that. Thanks, Ipsy. All right, inside the bag. Color for the zipper doesn't go all the way in, but we've got a nice black, kind of felty inside. That's nice. They don't have their Ipsy label on the inside. They usually do. All right. Looks like right off the bat, we see, of course, a liquid eyeliner, which is probably in the color black. Are you upside down or are you facing up? It's holographic. That's pretty. Lottie Wing Woman? Wing Woman. That's beautiful. I love that. I love hollow. Who doesn't? Who doesn't love a good hollow? What color are you? Probably black. I see. Is that vegan or cruelty free? Cruelty free on there. Unfortunately, I can't see any of this. Hold on. I do declare that the worst thing in the world is trying to peel the plastic off of eyeliners. Ooh, that is a felt. Bloop. Bloop. Oh, that is nice. Now, I have I have skin that looks very cellular. So usually things go straight into the lines and feather, but I don't know. Let's give this a zoom. That wasn't zooming at all. How is that a zoom? What? Okay. I don't think I see any feathering. Wow. Is it already dry? Let's test it. Oh no, someone's got my fingerprints. I think I see a little bit, like, does it look like it's smeared a little? But honestly, I think it holds up pretty nicely once it's dry, because you ever watch someone like swipe on their hand on YouTube and it doesn't look like they're actually doing it? Like, you could see it, like there's a little, like, you don't see them actually doing that. It drives me nuts because I'm like, oh, well, going like that, it's not going to do anything. And they're just like, oh, look, it doesn't smear. And then you get it and it smears. This actually looks pretty good. Maybe if I would have let it dry down a little bit more, because it's not budging. I don't know if I'm going to need like a makeup remover for that or not, but that's actually pretty nice. And you get a lot. It's not like a sample size either. Okay, next item, since I'm dallying. Dilly-dallying. Okay, let's open the biggest item here. We got Pacifica's Glimmer Shimmer, and this is a highlighter and a blush duo. Now, we did open this. By we, I mean me and my mom. So there's probably fingerprints all over the back of it, which I did not know was a mirror. But I'm going to use my handy dandy little avocado butt. And look how big this mirror is. Like, I got it out of the thing, and I actually got it out face up, and I was like, why is the back of this cold? And that's why. There is quite a large, like, see my avocado? It's as big as that. Oh, you could see what I'm using to film. Sneaky. There I am. Anyway. We've got ourselves a highlighter and blush duo. And this packaging, very sturdy. Very sturdy. Let's see. I have a TikTok to make of this. Oh, there is a little bit of black on my finger from the eyeliner. Oh well. Alright, I got a TikTok to make for this, so let's try not to disturb it as much as possible. Oh, that's not too bad. I am a subtle girl, and that's not too bad at all. Alright, let's try the blush. Okay, so the blush here is that dusty pink right there. And you've got like the highlighter, which isn't too like, for me, I like subtle. I am not a bright girl. I'm not a like, you know, super blush girl. But yeah, I like this. This is nice. I know this brand is at Target, so at least if I want to buy more of this or recommend it to anybody, they can go get it. It's awesome. Okay, so there's that. Two more items in the bag. This one here is extremely shiny. What are you? I think we discovered that this was a liquid lipstick, and the name of it was Tiffany, the color. But where is the actual? Oh, there. That could be it. Is it Farrah? Oh, Farrah. They make brushes. Hold on one second. Let me get the plastic off. Okay, got the plastic off. Not sure what that says. I like this. I like that the top is a brushed metal instead of like shiny, like mirror-like. I took the plastic off, so I'm hoping that I didn't. Okay, there it is, Farrah. And then the name is on the bottom here. Okay, hold on. Let me get this out without making a mess. You know me. Oh, you might not know me. Okay, let's see what color we got here. Ooh, Tiffany is pretty. Oops. All right, that is not dried down yet, but let me see. Let me get some more light over here. Oh, that didn't help. But that is actually a really pretty color. I'm not 100% sure. Okay. Sorry about that. The boyfriend in the background. But yeah, that is such a lovely color. It is supposed to be matte, but it's still a little moist. I don't know if it's just because I put it on my hand thick. But we got some moisture there. And even this feels nice. It's like brushed. And the last item that is in here is a eyeshadow quad. I don't know why it's still in the bubble wrap. I think from this company. You guys are gonna have to help me out there. Is that hazy, hoagie? Like, it's really hard for me to see cursive. Hot Cocoa Bomb. It is called Hot Cocoa Bomb. And you know what? A lot of the items that I got today are cruelty-free. I think the hand cream was vegan. And I didn't know Ipsy did that, which I really kind of like. All right, let's get this quad out of here. It's like those videos on TikTok. Okay. Nothing to write home about, but I don't know about the quality of these, and they look nice. I tried to change my profile to be more adventurous, but I keep getting browns. I have brown eyes, brown hair. I'm thinking maybe I should like change that to like get the algorithm to go differently. Let's see what I can do here. All right, let's put them down here on the old wrist. I'm gonna need a little more than that. Whee! Oh, look at that. Okay, you know what? I need to shut up about what I said. That is... Okay. Yeah, I need to shut up about what I said because these are kind of nice. Ooh. Okay, and last one here I'm going to do with my pinky is the highlight shade. Oh, that's light. Let's try and get some more. Oh, that's really light. I'm really sorry about the lighting here. I'm losing my light. Oh, wait, look. Oh, we caught some light here. Oh, look at that. These are a lot shimmerier than I thought. Shimmerier. there's a color. Okay. Okay, so this brand here, yeah, I need to shut my mouth about, because let me tell you what. Those are lovely. I'm going to try and bring my light closer. I don't have a ring light. I have a regular light bulb in a lamp. But yeah, those are lovely. I can't wait to make an eye look with this. They're bronzy. It says hot cocoa, but like I'm feeling more bronzy than brown. I like these. I like these a lot. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Okay, so recap. I got the highlighter blush duo. I got eyeshadow, liquid lipstick, an eyeliner, which is perfect for a look. I'm thinking bronze goddess, you know, like maybe a pharaoh queen for Halloween. And then the hand cream, which smells, oh my god, I can still smell it. It smells really, really good. It's like I don't know if you ever smell pistachios, but it's kind of minty. The bag is beautiful. I am really happy with what I got this month. So I'm thinking, yeah, bronze goddess, pharaoh, pharaoh's daughter, you know, maybe the pharaoh herself, because you know what? Queens can be kings. And this is gorgeous. I actually really, really love this. So thank you for watching my video and watching me stumble through some of the items and learn something new about something I need to test before I actually say anything about. And I'll see you guys the next time in the next video. Who knows what it's going to be? I might unbox. I might do something different. Who knows? But yeah, have a good day. Bye-bye.